Okay, here is the new bearing seal out of the pack, brand new. Just got it out of carry on. 476 179 bearing seal or kit. Okay, now here's the old one that came off the original tire, the original hub assembly kit that I got. All right, it matches up with this one really good. Double lip seal. The one that has the grease in it that's damaged is the one that I took off and replaced originally about a month ago. And this one looked very, almost identical to it. Double lip seal and everything. So, okay. Just imagine that this is on the back of the hub, and you slide it on. Is it supposed to be that loose? When I push it all the way back, it does feel a little tighter. But yeah, don't know if it goes all the way back there against it or what. There seems to be a little divider right here. This I'm sure came on the spindle, because when you squirt grease through this, it does come out the hole right here. So this is part of the trailer spindle. All right. These little sealers, I think, came on it, and I think they press up against it once you get the seal on, or once you press the tire up against it. Does feel like a tight seal there. But it feels very loose to me. I mean, it just seems like this would be very, very tight. I mean, the spring-loaded double lip seal is not even being engaged. I mean, it's not being engaged at all. There's nothing. So I don't think 1.79 fits on this spindle. Just don't think it does. It's too loose.